Hello, I'm Jesse Cramer, Corporate Manager, OEM Accounts, Cascade Corporation.
What kind of electric products does Cascade have in their Electrix product line?
It's a really good question. So right now we have an electric carton clamp, which we have here. We also have an electric side shifter that we've had out for a few years. We have an electric fork positioner. We have an electric MLH multiple load handler, which some people know as single doubles. So quite a few products that we've got on the portfolio and the horizon coming, which we're excited about.
What are the biggest benefits of electric products?
So electric products allow us to have more precision control. So in this particular case with the carton clamp, you can have left arm movement, right arm movement, both arms, side shift. So you really can control what you're doing.
Why do you have precision control with electric products over hydraulic products?
Because each individual actuator is controlled. And so the vehicle can tell the actuator what to do, where to go. And with the feedback back to the machine, it allows you that precision control to stop exactly where you want it. As opposed to hydraulic, where it's not as dialed in and as exact, and it's really hard to control. You have ability to control hydraulics to some extent, but not nearly as precise as you can with electrification.
And some of the other benefits, can you explain some of those beyond precise controllability?
Absolutely, it's a great question. So energy efficiency, that's really where it is. And so it takes a lot less power to move some of the electric product. And so therefore it's more efficient, longer run times on vehicles, that longer battery life, which in turn means less charging of the batteries on the vehicle, more productivity for the operators. And it's the way things are going in terms of hydraulics. You don't have the leaks to worry about. And so overall, it's the trend in the market. It's taken a little time to get there, but it's definitely coming.
Why would someone buy from Cascade?
So Cascade has global support. We have territory managers that are out working with the end customers and with the distribution networks. We also have relationships with the various original equipment manufacturers, whether they be powered industrial trucks or AGVs. And we also have a field service department that travels and helps support after the sale. So in combination with the strong engineering group that we have in place, it's continually working on solutions for the end customer to solve those material handling needs in the market.
And does Cascade do custom products?
We absolutely do custom. We have a very broad portfolio of standard product, but we do a high level of customization as well. Again, it's driven towards the solution for the customer and their material handling need, whatever that may be, whether it be from just a standard side shifter all the way up to a large tire handler or something that involves a mast or an integral attachment. There's a whole broad portfolio of products that we do, trilateral heads, a lot of integration.